Please close your eyes and start relaxing, moving from the outside to the inside, relaxing. Relaxing, breathing. And now think of something very beautiful in your life. The best comedy joke or movie you have watched, best moment of your life with your partner. Sits. And now just allow yourself to go back into that happiness. And have a beautiful smile on your face. When you smile, both the corners of your lid go up. Both the corners going up, yes. And these are the doors of your heart. Abundance, love, positivity, and relax. Breathing, relaxing, being happy, and smile. This is your own treasure. Whenever you want, you can go take a deep expanding, moving to your shoulders, to your hands, to your belly, to your feet, your leg. Your whole body is like a sun radiating lights, and you are radiating this joy and happiness and love. Keep relaxing, breathing, and smiling. You are ready, you can come back. Take a deep breath and open your eyes slowly. Come back. Nice? First time doing this technique. How was it? You could feel the expansion?
Tell us about your new studio launched.
Yes, this studio's name is Loving's Wellness for Transformation and Personal Growth. And we are teaching, offering active, passive, social meditation, Humaniversity therapy, self-hypnosis, and Japanese Zen archery. Our mission is to share with people how to become master of our own life by releasing negativity, becoming happy, and we decide to be happy. And the goal is friendship, and this is our mission.
So how you got the idea and what are the main objectives behind this?
I myself, after my medical study, I was more interested in meditation. So I have been doing meditation since last 16, 18 years. And at the same time, I was also learning how to share with people. It is not something, there are masters in the world, so I got trained from the best teachers all over the world, from Humaniversity, from Viresh, Denny, Usam Sanchez, and in Osho meditation training. And I am the only 4th black belt in Japanese Zen archery. So combining meditation, therapy, hypnosis and Zen, we have devised, Rishma is my co-founder, and we have devised this unique workshops and program we can start for Indian people, and we are starting this in Ahmedabad. Is our first wellness studio.
So how did you select Ahmedabad?
I am born in Ahmedabad, is my hometown. So starting from my roots.
So yes, in Ahmedabad is more stressful. What do you think?
Ahmedabadis are like very fun-loving and people, But also as Ahmedabad is progressing and becoming a mega city, we are facing a lot of stress, competition, children, housewives, people in companies. A lot of companies are coming to Ahmedabad, a lot of five-star hotels are coming. So we are also adopting the fast life and all. And due to which there are issues, we can deal with meditations and therapy, what we are sharing with people.
You're planning for any other launch
In
studio like
other cities, like
in Ahmedabad or any other city?
We are also working in Bombay since last 2 years, and the next studio will be in Bombay.
And what I just want to ask, which age group mainly come for this? What do you think of, through your experience, you must have studied out.
We have all age groups, mainly young people, mainly professionals, housewife, and children. We go to schools. For teachers and children, we go to school.
So, do you have any plan for taking help from government and going in all municipal schools and all the schools and colleges? What do you think?
Yes, it is one of my dream that we develop a curriculum to teach teachers all this unique way how to take care of children, and also a module or a course for children that how they can be happy the way they are, not by competing or not with taking a lot of stress, being open to their family, to their friends, and to know what is good and bad in themselves.
So, any special batches are there, like in vacations, or you are going to start? What do you
For
think?
youngsters especially?
That's a very good idea. We have few programs, daily meditations, Saturday meditations, Sunday, and daily morning, evening. And we go to schools, but we also do different workshop depending on different times.
You're planning to introduce meditation.
Maybe in
for kids.
future you can just do the planning about taking help of the students in vacations and do these meditations.
Yes, we will start. It's a very good idea.
Yeah.
How does meditation help more than normal exercise?
Yes. When we say we are not only body. We are body, physical body, we are mind. Our body and mind are not different. We have unique emotions, we have unique social relationships. So if we do only exercise in body, how it is going to help mind, emotions and the social relations. So in this in Loving's unique offering, we combine all these things. It affects on your body, active meditations, passive meditations, self-hypnosis affects your mind to relax. Therapy, releasing your emotions, cleans your emotions, free-flowing emotions. And social meditation for social interaction, connecting with people. So it affects on all different levels. In mind also it affects conscious mind, unconscious mind, heart, emotions. So exercise is also very good. Running, jogging, swimming. Yeah, one can start with that, but the goal is to reach at all levels.
So, any fees criteria can you just tell about the?
We have free programs on Saturday, and we do charge some token amount. Let's say 4 hours workshop of Om meditation can be priced at 300 rupees, or some corporate workshop can be charged a little more. So different courses,
Yeah.
and we give discounts to students and people who can afford.
Even we have programs on gift economy also. Yeah.
For senior citizens?
Yes.
We have a death meditation and also some passive meditations for them.
Yes,
You
for
have
senior citizen.
the mainly thing.
Yes,
They
it is
need
our time to give them back for what they have given us.
Yeah.
So yes, we have to.
Meditation will help patients of especially heart or something.
The first immediate effect can be seen on sleep. Second, on mood, on behavior, on mild depression, mild hypertension. So it can affect. There are enough research on internet on different benefits of meditation, and yes, it affects. It increases your overall happiness, and when we are happy, the disease doesn't affect us that way.
And stress levels also get lower. So obviously cholesterol and heart diseases are also affected positively.
Thank you.